Hi guys! Welcome to John's 3L Club again. Today we're going to cook eggplants. The ingredients we're mainly going to use is just the eggplant. And then we're going to make some sauces. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to chop up the eggplant. Cut it into 2 halves first and then chop them into small triangle pieces. After that, put it in a bowl and we will put about 1 teaspoon of salt evenly on the surface of the eggplant to get rid of some of the water. And then we're going to chop off the green onions, the garlic, and the red peppers. The red peppers, if you don't like your food spicy, don't add it at all. I'm just gonna add 3 pieces because this kind of red peppers are spicy. Now we're going to make the sauce. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 50 milliliter of drinking water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'll mix it together and let it sit. Then we're going to wash off the salt off the eggplant. Squeeze the water out of the eggplant and put them aside. Now we're going to put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. After the oil is heated, we add in eggplant, stir fry it from side to side. This part takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Just keep stir frying it. You can let it sit once in a while, like between 5 to 10 seconds, and then just keep stirring until the surface of the eggplant actually turns to golden color. After about 3 to 4 minutes, the eggplant is cooked. As you can see, the color is turning. And we will take the eggplant out and put aside to wait for use later. Then we're going to use the leftover oil in the pan to fry the onion, garlic, and red peppers. Stir it for like 1 to 2 minutes until it's cooked. After about 1.5 minutes, then we're going to add back the eggplant we cooked earlier. Stir it, mix them well, and then we're going to add in the sauce we mixed earlier. The sauces will be absorbed very quickly because of the cornstarch. Our stove is always on high till this moment. Lastly, we're going to add the green onions. Mix it together. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. And let it sit for the sauces to be absorbed by the eggplant. And then our dish is ready. Let's dish it up. Look at that. It is perfect to go with rice. This is about 250 grams of eggplant for one person. I hope you enjoy it. Try it next time. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that and leave me comments. Don't forget to turn on the bell. I hope to see you next time. Bye.